You're live. There it is.
Running a business day.
Come on. Hey!
So that's in my head.
Oh my, oh my. Isn't that cool? Okay. Let me get some water before we start. Okay. You do you want anything?
I'm good. I have my
Yes.
strawberry mango sparkling water.
Do you want a coffee?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
What do you like, Mom? A little pocky. Okay. We're starting pillar 2, which is pretty much just talking about all the software that we use, why we use it, how much it costs. Oh, we're supposed to also write down how much it costs, pricing, all of that.
Yeah.
So, quick intro. My name is Alan. I am a founder of a tech consultancy.
And I am Yi. I am a software engineer of 10 years.
Okay. And what I had in mind, we're gonna be switching back and forth between just kind of talking, our whiteboard, and then our machines to show us like the softwares that we're using. Let's literally start from like the beginning. Where's the eraser? So what I mean by beginning is if you can actually, we might also run out of battery on our thing. So software tech stack. So software. I just spelled tech. Oh my gosh, tech
There you go.
stack. Okay, so as what I mean by the beginning is like input slash window management. Window management. So the first software that I want to highlight is Whisper. Whisper Flow. And I think, so I can type, I'm a pretty good typer. I can type like over 100 words per minute.
Yeah.
But nothing's gonna be as fast as speaking into your keyboard.
Yeah, I agree.
And iPhones had it for a while. Your Macs have it too, but WhisperFlow has gotten much better at it. It can like save words to your dictionary and stuff. So that's how I've been typing a lot. And also, it's becoming more developer friendly too because you can like add other files or like run commands or whatever.
Yeah, I've actually been starting to use voice to text a lot more lately.
Are you using WhisperFlow or the native iPhone one?
Just native iPhone and like native like in the apps, like whatever.
Like in the Claude
Yeah,
apps,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Which it's not as good.
It's not perfect. Okay. So can you show this? Let's say like, you know, I want to type in like, okay. So WhisperFlow, let me show us what that looks like. It's also nice because everything that you ever type gets saved in a clipboard on WhisperFlow. So you can actually have a full history of all the things that I like typed in. If I refer you, you actually get 1 month free. So I will refer you after this. I don't think I get anything, but you get a free month of Pro. Here's my dictionary. So all the things that I like say often.
Oh, nice.
There's snippets. So you can say like, here's my email address. And I think you could, that I haven't really figured out, but you can like say a code word and then you can have it like, what is it? Like auto correct to it.
Yeah.
So, say hi, Joe. Okay, so here, let me show you this. Here's a native keyboard. So usually I just click here. Can you come a little bit closer? So I usually click just the microphone thing, and I could say, at For Now Marketing, our mission is to empower marketing teams with the technical and problem-solving skills to execute their creativity. It's pretty decent. I mean, it caught almost everything except, but it says at For Now Marketing, which obviously I was reading our mission statement.
Yeah.
And it missed that. Okay, so WhisperFlow has a keyboard shortcut. I can either click and hold the function button and then let go. Or I can double click it and then just speak. It's like free speak mode.
Oh, sure.
So at For Now Marketing, our mission is to empower marketing teams with the technical and problem solving skills to execute their creativity. Okay, so then for this one, it actually attached my For Now together.
Yeah.
But I can fix it in the dictionary.
Yeah.
So that whatever I typed, they're both good, but if like imagine you're like speaking like 2 minutes at a time.
Yeah.
Like Whisperflow is gonna catch up so much faster.
Yeah.
Also, I'll show you this. The reason I like Whisperflow better is one, it has a number bullet built-in system, which makes it like format your words. Two, it's good about things like parentheses, see if this works, parentheses close, and I love to eat quote unquote Pocky. And three, Yi and I are leading a hackathon this weekend. Come on. Like, look at that. Like, formatted, parentheses. It's not perfect, 'cause I said parentheses close.
Yeah.
So I think I'm not supposed to say parentheses because I just have to say parentheses.
Sure.
But I also said quote unquote. And I was hoping it would wrap Pocky in quotes.
Yeah. Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Sure, it's not perfect.
And then it spelled your name wrong, but then I can add you in the dictionary and
Yeah.
it'll fix it. So, okay, so that's Whisperflow.
How does it handle, like, for me when I'm speaking, I always stop and say, like, fill in words like and like
Let's try it.
things like that. So how does it handle that?
Say that one more time from the beginning.
So when I'm like speaking from voice to text, I always like stutter and have issues where I do fill in words like and then I pause for a bit. So how does that Whisperflow handle that?
Well, just now you didn't have any filler words, so I feel like, well, let's see. How does it handle that? I said say that one more time from the beginning.
Yeah.
I mean,
it's
it's
pretty good.
just pretty good. And it is going to filter out a lot of filter words,
Yeah,
too.
yeah. I think it's a nice
So-
feature to like mention because that's probably one of the reasons why I don't use it because I think my mind speaks faster than my voice. Which ruins me.
Voice typing isn't always the way to go. Like you just said, some people actually still think while they type,
Yeah.
especially if it's like a newer topic.
Yeah.
If it's something that like I say over and over again, it's like it's like my sales pitch or whatever.
Yeah.
And I just have all the words in my head. I need to get it out sooner than my fingers can keep up with it. Whisperflow is like the way to go.
Yeah.
Let me look up Whisperflow pricing. So I pay $15 a month per user because I am on the monthly. I think at this point I need to go to annual because I'm using it all the time.
Yeah.
I've told my team to start a free trial. I don't know if they're fully convinced yet. The free version you can get started.
Yeah.
You will run out very quickly
Oh, okay.
on a weekly basis.
Yeah.
So okay. Whisperflow is voice typing. 15 per month. 15 per month on the
Monthly plan,
Yeah.
right? Huh.
monthly. Okay. The next one is Rectangle, and this one's free. And you gotta get on Rectangle. But this is window management. Window management. Free 99. Back to a show and tell. It's pretty much control. Okay, so first of all, Rectangle. So you just install like a simple software.
Yeah.
It's free and it has all these window management keyboard shortcuts. Take a minute to read it and study it. You don't need much. I have Control Option left click. Control Option left click, left snap. Control Option right click, right snap. You can toggle through the different sizes.
Oh, nice.
So 1/3, half, and 2/3.
Yeah.
But also I remember that D is left third, F is middle third. I'm holding Control Option the whole time, by the way. G is right third.
I see.
I think this is one of the best part if you zoom out and show both monitors. If you want to move this desktop to this one, Control Option Command to the right and move to the right one. And then Control Option Return to full screen.
Nice.
I am moving things like left, right all the time. And like imagine if you have like, oh, let me get my Notion on this desktop, but half screen, and then let me move my this thing on the right screen, and then I have, I don't know, Whisper Flow.
Yeah.
Like, just without having to, like, I just can't stand like doing
Drag and
this
drop
and
and
I'm like,
snapping
let me
it, yeah.
click, and then if you hold it, usually if you hold it, you can do this. I know it's possible, it's built in,
Yeah.
right? But even just like the 10 seconds I lost there, I think it adds up over time, honestly.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So that's kind of the hope. That one's free.
Yeah.
One of my teammates told me about it, and it's a game changer.
Yeah.
So. Okay. Let me pass it to you for maybe some of the software we talked about for our hardware setup, actually.
Yeah.
Because that's a stack too.
That is also.
Yeah. So
So-
remote access.
So the first thing is it's very kind of OS dependent right now.
Let's assume everyone's on Apple.
Let's
Yeah.
assume it's on Apple.
We are an Apple ecosystem people.
So first thing is the most important one, I think, is Tailscale.
Oh, can you put remote access on top as like a section header?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
Remote access.
Joe, you can join this part too if you want. I'll ask you what you use for your software.
So we have
Joe!
Tailscale.
Tails goes for what?
Tailscale is to create your own virtual private network
Yes.
where you can connect all your devices so that they're on this private network so you can safely talk to them over the internet even if they're not on the same Wi-Fi pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
So to think of it as it's a VPN pretty much, but yours.
Virtually putting all your devices on the same network,
Yeah.
even if they're not on the same Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Yeah. And also for privacy purposes too. Yeah.
So exposing your devices over the network without actually truly exposing.
And then can you actually show us Tailscale real quick? Just open up the app. Maybe we can cover the IP addresses
Yeah.
just to show them what it looks like. Or I can show to mine too.
Yeah, I don't want to relaunch it right now.
Yeah. Tailscale is free.
Yes, it's mostly free.
Here's what it looks like. I have my 3 devices listed there: my MacBook Pro, my Mac Mini, and my iPad. You do have to connect them to the same account, right?
You do. That's
Yeah.
what allows them to connect to each other.
Yeah. And that's about it for Tailscale, and it's free.
And it's free. Free. There's also Rest Desk, which is your remote control software, where you can, like, if you want a UI to show up, like how do I pretty much connect to my MacBook or my Mac Mini and get the same UI to show up on my MacBook Pro, you would use something like Rest Desk.
Yeah.
Again, that's just a remote control software. This is also free.
For starting on boot, you need to install system service. What is that? Do you have this
Yeah.
installed?
Yeah.
Can I show this screen?
Yeah, all of that, maybe not this.
Yeah. Okay, I'll do that part later. So, this is what Rust Desk looks like. That IP address is my MacBook Mini's virtual private IP address. So I can connect it. I have also a universal password
Yeah.
that I've set up. So I need that password to get in. So this is like my home address for my MacBook Mini, but I need the keypad, the password on the keypad to get in, which
Yep.
is the password. My Mac Mini's on the table right there.
What else for remote access?
I think that was it for remote access.
Yeah, there's a lot of a bit of configuration you have to do for
Yeah.
Tailscale. And
We have a different video
we
for
have a
that.
different video for that. You can
Yeah.
watch that. Windows management, input, remote access.
We can. There will be more that come up.
Yeah, so this is the universal setup. Like have to be a developer. You don't have to be technical to do this. This is for everyone.
Yeah.
This is to set up a Mac Mini or a device at home and anywhere and connect it from anywhere, as long as you have a internet connection and another device that's connected to the Tailscale network.
Yeah. This is more like config so far.
Yeah.
Can you take the video and then can we just kind of like dump out all the actual software that people might recognize now? So maybe like knowledge management, like Notion and Obsidian.
Yeah.
So knowledge management. We have obviously a popular player, Notion. How would you describe Notion?
Think of it like virtual notebooks, I guess, right? But with more features.
Virtual database, like database notebook.
Yeah. So you have like, it's like notes. It's notes,
Yeah.
but online, and you have a lot more features.
Yeah. Notion's free version is totally fine. It gets you pretty far.
Yeah, I use the free version.
Yeah. So free's option, but you don't get Notion AI though, right?
No.
Notion AI is pretty wild. Like if you have a lot of databases to manage and update, I can update like hundreds of rows like with Notion AI.
Really? Okay.
So there is free. There is also, I think I pay $20 a month per user. Let me check my. You wanna show? Oh God, sorry. Let's see. So if you wanna see my billing, actually maybe put it away for a second, just in case. But yeah, oh my gosh. Okay, you can show it. So I pay $16.80 per year for 5 or 6 people.
7 seats.
Yeah. Oh, I have 7 seats. Okay, that's okay. This is my team. You can show it. But yeah, so I mean, free is fine, but that's just. This is also for me to keep in mind too.
Yeah.
How do I go back to billing?
Change.
Oh, yeah, show this.
And we're back.
So, 10 per member per month was what we were on, but it doesn't come with Notion AI.
Oh, so $10 is the Notion.
It's the Notion.
I see. Is there a limitation on like on LLMs that usually have like a cap? Is there like a token usage thing or like a credit system for Notion AI?
So there's a few different Notion. So there's like your Notion AI like kind of chat, which this itself can be like here. Okay.
It's like ChatGPT.
Design, but you can actually with write access design
nice.
a page where I list out all the softwares I'm using today, and it'll actually do it here. Notion just released a new feature called Notion Agent, which will have token-based, customized, like usage-based pricing.
Yeah.
Still in beta, free until May, but boom, look at that, Notion AI. Just like did all that. You can also, there's also like there's like an AI block. So that's like more embedded. Oh, I guess there's AI image. Oh, a lot of these are new. Let's try that. Crazy. And then the other feature that I think Notion is like a great, while this is loading, because my scatterbrain wants to move forward, I think Notion meeting notes are pretty amazing. I use this for, it's connected to my calendar. Oh, I use Notion Calendar too, instead of Google Calendar.
Sure.
It's pretty amazing. But we were also saying we need to start transcribing the Notion, everything we're talking about. I'm gonna actually play it right now. But okay, this is the chart. It creates an image, I guess. That's decent. And then, no, it's not for this event, but for this one, we'll call it software tech. Stack. And then start transcribing. This just picks up all the audio that it hears. So it won't pick up like AirPods sound, but like you do need to be able to hear it audibly. But after that, it'll give us a full transcript and it'll give us a summary.
Does it distinguish like user 1 from user 2, person to person, or is it like just everything?
Let's find out right now. Let's give it a second. So I know that Notion meeting feature feels just like Granola, which is another audio-based meeting software that a lot of people are using these days. Um, let's see. So summary and then transcript.
Yeah, I don't think it would
No, it
distinguish.
didn't,
Yeah,
yeah.
but yeah, it's fine. That's what I expected.
Granola might be good at that.
Sure. Okay.
So I think the Notion meeting notes might have its pros and cons. This is honestly perfect for me.
Yeah.
It's perfect for use cases where I'm like, I have so many things I need to think about, but it's late at night and I want to go to sleep. Maybe voice dump it, get a Notion recording, and then the next day I have like Claude like save it or something.
Oh yeah.
So that's Notion. I think it's worth noting is meeting notes feature, which is kind of like similar to Granola, which is both of which are audio.
Transcription.
Yeah, meeting, transcription, AI-based summary. AI summary. Okay. And then the third one to mention obviously is Obsidian here.
Yes.
Right, which I will let you speak more about that, but here's Obsidian. What is Obsidian? What do you use it for, and how is it different than Notion?
Yeah. So I use Obsidian. Why I like it? Because it's literally free. There's a pattern here. I like free stuff.
Yeah.
Open source and free. That's great. So Obsidian is another like note management software. Underneath, what it is just markdown files. Markdown files is like a specific format that is universally recognized.
And it's a text file.
It's
They're
text
simply.
It's a simple text file. Notion also respects markdown files too. So it's like, it's your stuff, free forever is like the model here.
Obsidian is local, right?
Obsidian is local.
Yeah.
But there is a paid subscription where you
To
can
make it cloud-based.
Yeah, cloud-based, where they store your data for you, so you don't have to. You can sync it across multiple like computers and whatever. But you can also host this for free on your own server. Like even the Mac Mini that we set up today, we can put an Obsidian sync server on there. So why is it powerful and like popular right now? And the new age with AI, AI is trained off of like text. So everything that is read is actually like AI is trained on a lot of markdown files. So plain text is amazing for LLMs to understand.
Because it's easy and simple.
Easy and simple, and that's what it's trained on.
Yeah.
So it understands it. So Obsidian is a really good like alternative and really hot software right now. Because it's free, because it's really like utilized heavy from LLMs. So again, it's Markdown. Markdown. There's a lot of like open source, because it's like open source. I think Umbrella is open source, but because there's open source and free, you can create plugins.
Yeah.
So you can create whatever plugins you want for Obsidian. Where Notion, it's private. You can't like have your own plugins, right?
There's
So
no
it's like a lot of
extensions, plugins. Yeah.
Plugins, but you can create. Anyone can create. So where that's powerful is like if I need something very specific and like a specific MCP to Obsidian that I need like a special feature, I can create that myself.
Yeah.
With Claude Code. That's a different topic we'll talk about soon. So what's also cool about it is that you can use tags in Obsidian to connect different notes together.
And the graph ultimately.
Yeah, so there's like graphs.
I think the graph it's one really cool visual feature that I think is even
Graph connection.
single-handedly cool just like looking at.
Yeah, so it's like if you have 1,000 notes, like how do you see like how they're organized and how they're related? You can actually go into the graph connection like view, the graph UI view, click on a note and see where it's connected to.
Yeah.
And then from there you can traverse and see how things are connected.
Yeah.
It's very powerful, and Claude or any other AI can actually use that connection to pull out like different various like notes that can give you different insights.
Yeah.
So it's an alternative to Notion. They can go hand in hand though. You can have both.
I think you can definitely have both.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we show them what Obsidian looks like real quick? So I can show them on my screen. So, and actually, I'm gonna keep recording. I just realized because why not? So have that on. But okay, so this is Notion. Very database based, very chart based. Like it still uses Markdown formatting.
It does. Yeah.
And that that word Markdown seems to be appearing in both places. But for example, if I go to my finance, I have like different pages, and like let's go to monthly cash flow. Like I can make like charts and like whatever, and like I don't know, a lot of like visuals. Versus Obsidian. So this Alan's Pensieve is my Obsidian folder. And then let me open that to the side, and I'll open up Obsidian. And like you mentioned earlier, Obsidian is just becoming so powerful because AI can help you manage it. So you see how these files are actually the same, like auto import inbox, like voice memos, voice. So I'm pretty much just opening a folder on my desktop, just using Obsidian.
Correct.
So then let's just go to Obsidian, and then I have my my voice memos. I guess I don't have any. My second brain, some Fathom transcripts, personal voice memos. Here, let's look at my hackathon. Yeah. I wrote this on Hackathon, and then I sent it to you on Notion.
Yeah.
And then let's show them the graph feature. So all the notes that I have, there's one folder here where I just have a lot of notes. Oh, Substack posts. A lot of my Substack posts. I think one thing I was hoping to see is like this node right here that's connected to all of these. Like, how are these? What's the common key term? Weren't you working on that?
Yeah, I was working on. So my project is working on using Claude as like the primary interface. So all of this is like black boxed. So we don't need to know about what's handled underneath. Claude will know how to create the tags and proper tags. So as like a middleman layer. So I don't need to worry about what could this relate to. Just create the tag based on like the content that I give you.
Yeah.
So then it'll automatically create the tag and create those connections for me.
But then is there like a plugin, or because I've seen like people use graphs that have colors and like it looks really visual and pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's like infinite plugins.
Okay. And like this thing, like I said, like I don't know just from looking at this why all of these are connected. I was hoping to see a common keyword in the middle.
If you double click on
This thing?
you'll see it tags a Substack.
Okay.
That's why it's probably connected. Check now. Go to a different one. Go back to your graph, and then see if you can pull back up that one.
They're all Substack.
They're all Substack. That's what's making it connected.
But then why aren't they all connected to a single big dot then?
Yeah, you have to play with it.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Okay. I can go back to the whiteboard. So we have Obsidian. I mean, we can just like go through a bunch. Like, obviously, I'm gonna just write like business and work. So business and work. Obviously, we have some big namers like Slack for direct communication. Chat. I still use Zoom. What do you use? What do you use at work? Or what do you use?
We use like the Google Suite, so G Meet.
Okay. So video, but G Suite or Teams is the other
Teams and G Suite.
popular one. I use Fathom as my note taker. Fathom. I think it's really good. I mean, there's so many note takers. This one just seems to be popular.
How does that differ from Obsidian or Notion?
No, like this one joins your video conferencing.
So
it's an AI note taker, like Fireflies, like
I see.
Super Normal.
Sure.
There's like so many. Fathom just seems to be rising in popularity. I think there's a lot of good AI features, and so actually I'll show you.
So it's like a transcription.
Yeah, here. Don't go away for a second.
Okay.
And then let me pull up a good team call I can pull up. Oh, I already have some team calls pulled up. Look at that. Give me one second.
Today?
So,
That is
okay. Okay, you can show this one. So this is what my Fathom screen looks like. Like it's first of all, it has the whole
Thanks, Glenn.
Teams
How you
recording.
feeling? How am I feeling right now? I think I
That's
was nervous.
helpful. It has summaries. You can actually even prompt your summaries so that like there's general, there's sales, there's like other, I don't know. Prompt different types of summaries depending on who wants it. Transcript, so I can get the whole transcript. I can search within the transcript.
Yeah.
You can also, this is the cool feature. Ask Fathom AI what we talked about.
Yeah.
Like what is the most important thing we talked about here?
what do you want?
Blah blah blah.
Yeah.
This is helpful for just quick memory.
Yeah.
Action items. If I click this or if I click this, every single action item becomes an Asana ticket.
Sure.
So just like automations,
Yeah.
integration, whatever. Your questions, the questions I asked, the questions they asked, and then there's like a few small things. There's like one section that tells you who talked the most, and it tells you like if you talk more than 40%, like you have a higher chance of closing a deal or something.
Oh, sure.
I don't know. So Fathom video note taker.
Sure.
Note taker.
Yeah, I think G Suite also has a built-in.
Oh yeah.
And then
Gemini has like yeah.
I think
built-in
Zoom also has something like that too.
I
But
think Zoom's is really clunky.
okay.
Google's is pretty decent.
Yeah.
It spits out in a Google Doc for you.
Oh, sure.
That gets a little messy too. So, yeah. But I mean, Google definitely has their own ecosystem. I think Google Drive is honestly worth mentioning too. Like, just because I'm a heavy like docs, sheets, not so much slides, but yeah, Google Drive user. And then I also have the Google Drive on your desktop downloaded.
Yeah,
So that synced to desktop. So let me show us that real quick. So I actually have two Google Drives synced. So I have my personal Google Drive synced, and then I have my work Google Drive synced. So I can actually, I don't ever have to go to drive.google.com. I can actually like manage everything here.
Yeah.
And this would be the same thing as if I went to
Google Drive on the web app.
exactly. So, and I think I recently had it clean up my drive for me. I just had so many files. I was like, okay, clean it up, put it all into files or folders. And it's cool because now Claude has access to our desktop. It was able to do all that
Yeah.
for me. Before I would take hours, like, okay, let me make a folder, figure out like how they're related, move it to the folder. Like it's been a game changer, honestly. So okay. Any other software you want to just spitball and
I mean, there is the AI stack,
all right.
which is
Okay, I'm gonna start erasing some of the stuff on this part.
yeah.
Totally forgot. Oh, sorry.
You're good.
Totally forgot about the AI stuff. The whole purpose. And actually, I talked about Asana. Asana's okay.
For like project management. and
Yeah.
stuff? Yeah.
Let me actually start with project management. Project management. Obviously, there's Jira, which is what a lot of engineers will use. There's Asana, which I think is a little bit more like universal friendly. More universal uni. I think people also like Monday.com.
Yeah.
CC likes Monday.com.
There's also linear, right?
Linear is yes, definitely more engineer friendly. And I think it's yeah, I think so. So linear is like what the cool kids are using.
Yeah, exactly. The cool,
Yeah.
it's the cool kids.
But it's definitely like more engineering focused. Like I would not use it for my personal project management. This one has also been cool because Claude can help connect to it and help make updates and status updates.
Yeah.
So, yeah. You can also use Notion for project management too.
Yes, you can,
create your
definitely.
tickets.
Mhm.
I think there is some friction there. I've noticed. It's just it's not meant to be a project management tool. So although it can be used for it, I find myself missing some workflows or features that Asana has. So this is my favorite right now. But I still don't. I think I'm just not a great like project management software user.
Sure.
Yeah. So, and then obviously there's AI, and our main tool is Claude, which has free versions, which has Pro, which is 20 a month,
Yep.
which has Max times 5, right?
Yep.
Which is 100 a month, and then there's
Max 20x.
20x, which is 200 a month, which is what you have.
Yeah.
So he's on this. I'm on this. Any things you want to say about this one?
Yeah, it's complicated because there's no like what does 5x and 20x mean? Like that the baseline is there is no baseline right now.
Yeah.
Like defined on the website. It's just more than like how much more than you have than Pro.
Yeah.
So it's like a floating number, and Pro floats. So
It's like pretty much just pay for usage, right?
you're paying for like usage, but it's for the max plans. It's like greatly subsidized because if you pay for the API plan, you pay for input token and output token, which like costs a lot. But they say like you can like if you maximize it, it's like $2,000 worth, so you can like 10x your value if you actually utilize 100%.
Oh,
of it.
I see. Okay. Like instead of using like a separate API key,
Yeah.
yeah, like you can make your own API key.
hmm
Okay, what do you think about ChatGPT,
Gemini.
Gemini?
I actually have Gemini and Claude. Gemini is just it's really good still. Like you have a lot of free stuff and they're very generous with their models. There's also like good video generation like Nano Banana and stuff that are amazing, like state of the art. And Gemini also gives you like really good like they give you like storage for your Google Drive and stuff and like, yeah, so you get a lot more than just like Gemini. It's like their whole like suite is integrated.
Gemini, yeah, Nano Banana for image creation.
And Notebook LM, which is I use that quite a bit actually.
Okay, and that's the other thing I wanted to ask about. That's like the one software that I'm not very familiar with. LM?
Yep.
Okay, Notebook LM. We recently switched from ChatGPT to Claude. Just kind of following the whole like war supporting, not supporting movement. Christine, there was like one time where Claude couldn't answer something simple. What was it? Do you remember?
The dates?
Was it? It was something that you did like not too long ago.
Can I tell you? Oh, the sushi bowls.
Oh yeah, Christine took a picture of 3 sushi rolls and a bunch of ginger, and then
But
what
the
did you
ginger
ask?
was also circular.
Ginger was in the circular
Yeah.
form,
Yeah.
and then Claude thought it was 4 sushi rolls. We were pretty surprised. I feel like that's something that ChatGPT would have picked up on.
Yeah, the models are
This example is hilarious.
the frontier models are trained on different things, and there's text models, and then there's like multimodal. Multimodal is like photos,
Okay,
voice. Claude is, in my opinion, Claude is really good at text and like coding.
Yeah.
Like it's the king.
Coding especially.
Mhm.
Yeah. Versus, do you think ChatGPT has different?
ChatGPT was like the first, and they're very like general right now, but they're like shifting and changing more towards coding right now.
Okay.
But they're still like
With Codex.
Yeah, there's
Their
Codex,
product. It's
yep.
their coding agent product. Okay, last thing. What do you think about Grok?
Grok is very powerful, but personally, my opinion is it's very uncensored and it's very like biased.
I see. I'm guessing it gets a lot of info from all the tweets from all of history.
Yeah, so how models are is trained is you put data in and you say, hey, when given this response, I want you to lean towards a certain way. So every model has bias, no matter what model you have, because it's biased towards what data you put in and train it on. We see on X that Elon is really wants it to act a certain way without getting like political here or at all. So they do a lot more tuning to tune the model to act a certain way and respond a certain way. So it's more uncensored, I would say, compared to other models.
Got it. Any other tools worth mentioning? Because I mean, we are pretty much going all in on Claude.
We are going in
For
all
this
in Claude.
weekend.
It's amazing.
Yeah. Even okay, maybe going back to that side of the table. Even if we were to like spitball some more software, what are some software you all use that we haven't talked about?
Oh, got him.
Terrible.
Software?
Yeah.
Let's see.
I don't think I caught on a live audio.
Probably did.
I'm trying to look at my customize. I mean,
There's still the there's the dev stack if you want. There's like IDEs like VS Code, Windsurf, Cursor, but that's very like dev. Yeah, general tech stack.
like popular ones that people need. Canva for design, I guess.
Supabase.
Supabase for database.
Yeah, that's a good one.
If you're building.
Yeah, that's very developer
I think
focused.
Langsmith is one that we've been.
Yeah, Lanksmith. That's like the AI stack. Back to the AI stack.
I think we use it
For
mainly to just,
observability.
like, compare the outputs of different
Yeah,
models.
yeah. So
and stuff.
that's eval,
Yeah.
the eval stack.
We do like graphs.
Figma for
Graphs.
product design.
Yeah, Figma, Canva, Supabase. What else?
For observability, we use like Grafana and stuff.
That's very
Oh,
very
wow.
very tech based again.
Right? I feel like that's more enterprise. I've heard of that one a lot. I've never used it. Grafana.
For GitHub.
Oh yeah.
GitHub is a very big one. Yeah.
Yeah, we talked about GitHub earlier for version control.
You guys use something else though, not Grafana.
Okay. I feel like this is pretty. It covers a lot. Let me look at my phone too. Do you want to look at your phone and just see like what apps you have? Here, I can take it for a second. I use Mercury from my bank.
What's your password?
I'll tell it to you.
How did you know? It's the same
Honestly, oh, I mean, if we want to get into like personal, like the fitness apps, like there's Strava, because even Strava is like you can kind of connect it to Claude as well.
Yeah.
So
But for like just scoping down back to business.
Yeah.
This is like pretty extensive.
yeah, true. And we didn't even write prices for all of them. Honestly, pricing standard is 20 per month is what I found.
Yeah.
Anywhere from 15 to 20 per month is you can expect that to be the standard pricing for like the pro version.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everything tends to be 20
There's a
per.
few that's like focused on app development, but I don't know if you guys care about that for your audience.
Like which?
Like Superwall is a good one to test out
Oh.
different rate cards and stuff.
Yeah.
I think that's the one that.
I think Brian mentioned that one.
Obviously, like amplitude and mixed panel for product analytics.
Oh yeah. Amplitude. Okay. Mixed panel, and these are for
A
more
really good one that
developers.
the designers like to use is called Mobbin. Have you guys heard of that?
No.
So basically, it's like someone has captured all the prominent apps, like every single screen, like onboarding, and then they've tagged it, so you can kind of go in and search like what's a typical customer support flow look like.
sure.
Yeah.
Mobbin.
What's how do you spell it?
Mobbin.
And you said that's like mock-ups, like screens?
So it has actual screens from all the
like screen flow for
like every single screen flow you can think of from
the
all the
user
popular
journey.
apps.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it's really good with, and I think they have some like intelligent search capabilities there now. So if you can just like tell it like, hey, I want to look for this type of user experience, and then it'll give you tons of samples
Yeah.
from like Coinbase
Sure.
and
Oh, yes. I've seen that before. Okay. I think that was pretty good.
Nice.
I think we can wrap this segment here. I do want to talk about Notebook LM a little bit because that one seems to be pretty powerful. Oh, you also mentioned that video editing tool that you said like a lot of people Remotion, I think. Have you looked into that one a little bit?
I haven't touched it yet, but it's like
I wonder if it's worth looking into. We can like play around with it and like make a video. So okay. After this, we'll do Notebook LM and then Remotion. Oh, there's also, if we're trying to get more into like social media posting, Buffer is like a good one for scheduling social media posts in batches. And they recently came up with a Threads Claude Buffer integration.
oh nice.
So you can like have Claude schedule a bunch of Threads posts. Yeah. Okay. End it here. Where's my mouse?
Can we take a break now to eat?
Yes. Break time.
Sorry, it's spicy.